Hi, I'm Dr. Khalil. I'm the Scientific Director at Rozone. Today, I'm going to show you the science behind the ROwasher, so come with me. ROwasher uses nature to fix nature. Bioremediation is a waste management process using live organisms to neutralize or remove harmful material from contaminated areas. Bioremediation is the safest and least invasive soil and groundwater cleanup technology. Microbes in the ROwasher, they break down oil, grease, lubricant, etc. and convert them into carbon dioxide and water. Microbes almost everywhere, below our feet, above our head, and in our bodies. However, the microbes in the ROwasher are naturally occurring microbes and had been isolated previously from soil and water contaminated area with petroleum-based products. I grow microbes using the fermenters to introduce the optimum and control environments for the microbes to grow. They are very safe to be used. Our microbes are in the same biosafety category or level as the probiotics drinks that you can buy off the shelves from supermarkets, but don't drink it. However, we always recommend the gloves to be worn all the time, as some of our microbes produce cleaning enzymes that might cause allergy to a very small number of people. I love microbes. Microbes are part of my life. They are like my kids. I have been working with them for almost 2 decades and I utilize them as a little cleaning factory. Well, apart from trapping large contaminants, we found under electronic microscope that the filter mat is a very good habitat for microbial growth and act as a reservoir. Optimum growth time is 1 month. And again, different types of microbes can degrade different types of petroleum-based products. So let's say that our client introduced first month only engine oil. So out of different types of microbes presented in our filter mat, few of them will like it and the rest will die off. In the next month, same client introduced gearbox oil. The ones that they like engine oil don't like gearbox oil. For that ones that they like gearbox oil, they die off in the first month. And that's why we ask our customers to change filter mat to introduce fresh microbes that like newly introduced contaminant. Over the last few years, we developed a fluid that is fully compatible with microbe growth. We use a very powerful detergent that not only remove oil and grease from the part, but also help the microbes by making oil micelles, which are small oil fragments that is engulfed easily by microbes, which in turn speed up the oil degradation. Microbial Booster is a concentrated form of a very powerful oil degrading microbes that do not like to be freeze-dried. I recommend Microbial Booster to be added quarterly to break down the most difficult type of petroleum-based product and to degrade the sludge that accumulate at the bottom of the tank. We use strict and controlled procedure to produce the most powerful oil degrading microbes. We continue exploring and updating our system with the most innovative technology. Also, we have run a trial to compare our oil degrading microbes to those in our competitors' machine. And what we found is that our microbes outperforming among others. The result will be published in a scientific paper soon. And don't forget, we've got 200 million microbes in our filter mat. That's a huge number. Rozone worked in conjunction with the University of Wolverhampton throughout the Knowledge Transfer Partnership Scheme to develop this piece of art, which is the ROwash, obviously. Introducing different types of microbes that do not compete each other and should be compatible with the fluid is quite difficult. as well as developing a fluid with optimum cleaning performance. We have performed a numerous amount of time and lab experiment with extensive knowledge of universities, professors, and myself, obviously. We overcome this challenge. I continue exploring and updating our system with most innovative technology by searching for the most published related scientific paper, developing our existing products, and exploring the possibility of enhancing the range of our cleaning products. I'm so proud to have helped develop the new generation of parts washer. The ROwasher is the leading machine available because of the science behind it. It uses nature to fix nature. Thanks for listening. For more information, visit rozone.co.uk.